right, John's got all our connectors out.
So what I'm doing is I'm chasing, I want to see if this is making contact.
So we're going through and we're chasing all the fun, so to speak.
Because right now it should not be with the top, with the deck open like this, the flipper panel up, it should not be wanting to open the trunk.
Extend these rams.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is what it was doing.
Yeah.
So now we need to basically jumper here.
Telling,
correct?
no, I'm going to test. I'm walking out of your video.
No, you're good. You're not out, you're just over. But, and you were saying you've got one guy that rebuilds these 4-wire flipper door motors.
That's right.
'Cause
And he'll also do window motors. There's some window motors that, for this car, you can obtain all the window motors. That's not a problem. But for some of the Lincolns that have the auto drop system, for if it's a convertible, the rear window drops down automatically.
ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course it does. It's a Lincoln. It needs to be snazzy.
Hold on. Where are we here? So we should have a yellow and a purple. If memory serves me. Why aren't I getting any? No continuity. That's got continuity.
Purple to purple.
Purple to purple. Okay.
Purple to purple, yellow to yellow. Right?
So it's these two guys in the middle, and it would be yellow to yellow usually. Okay. Let's do something else.
So switch. Did you just verify switch is good?
I think the switch is good. I have to.
We're explaining for the viewers at home.
I have to see how it is. Not when the switch is depressed.
Gotcha. You know, if the switch is depressed, that means it's going to start drinking.
Or something like
I'm glad you laughed, because that either is a laugh or a groan. All right.
Are we getting? We're still getting.
Hit it again. It's coming out of here still,
It shouldn't be.
because there's fresh shit out of this one now.
Yeah, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be doing that. So.
And I doubt we're out of juice.
No.
Yeah. All right.
See what happens when you unplug.
So now we're going to go find the other end. We should probably get him a switch too.
The switch
Top
on the
switch.
door. Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's a little funky. All right, so we jumpered that to no.
Well, I need to see that it's. I'm gonna go top down again because that.
I'll bring this
Have it
down
go-
and then check it again.
Okay, let me bring it down.
Okay, I got
Hold
it.
The deck lid.
I got it.
I only
okay.
have to go about that far.
Yeah, you're off the switch. You're good. You're on it.
So let's go.
Right here, it's pissing out the bottom of this. You can see it. It's still trying to open the trunk. As it was bubbling. Fun. So much fun.
Well, we'll just stop that. What is that for?
Let's find out. Because... oh, that's scary. There's some... oh, it goes to nowhere.
Goes to nowhere.
Oops, sorry.
Okay, so it may have been part of somebody tried to do a bypass
On something.
to open the trunk or whatnot. That's why I was sort of questioning. Let me see what's in, if it goes through and where it goes through to.
It goes through. I can wiggle it.
Yeah, I see where it's going. I'm gonna pull it.
Yeah, go ahead and pull it out. Grab that orange one too while you're at it.
Yeah, because that is not.
And then there's a, whatever that black is.
That looks like an antenna wire. But
Fun. More fun stuff. Okay, so what one were you testing, John?
now I'm testing the top-down relay.
Top-down relay. Yeah, we are bubbling out of the deck lid. The deck lid cylinders. Fun. So much fun.
We need to check the fluid level in the pump
All right, I can do that.
because I suspect that we have
We've
now
puked all of it out.
pushed fluid through the system somewhere.
Gotcha. Let me take a gander.